The wind howls through jagged peaks as a drone hovers just above the edge of the world's last untouched icebergs, their surfaces shimmering like fractured mirrors under the Arctic sun. These are not just glaciers. They are the silent guardians of a planet racing toward extinction, and today we fly where few dare to look. Greenland, the world's largest island, hides more than half its surface beneath ice, thick, ancient ice that has shaped the land for millennia. Here, the ice isn't just a barrier. It's a living, breathing force, carving valleys and shaping coastlines as the planet shifts beneath our feet. Step back in time with me to the heart of the ice, where the last icebergs whisper secrets of a world that was once warmer. These glaciers have stood since the last ice age, their surfaces etched with centuries of wind and water, each crevasse a story of survival in the harshest environment on Earth. The air grows colder with every ascent, the drone's camera pulling back to reveal a landscape so vast it feels impossible to comprehend. Below, the icebergs rise like monoliths from the sea, their jagged edges reflecting the endless Arctic sky, a canvas of endless blue and white. Here, the icebergs are not just frozen water. They are the last remnants of a planet that once teemed with life. As they drift, they carry with them the echoes of a world that is slowly disappearing, a silent warning that the ice we love is melting faster than we can say goodbye. The drone descends into a hidden fjord, where the icebergs loom like sentinels over a world that has been forgotten. The water beneath is a deep, unnatural blue, a stark contrast to the surrounding ice, a sign that the glaciers are receding faster than ever before. The icebergs here are not just beautiful, they are a mirror to our own future. As they break apart, they reveal the fragility of the planet we call home, a fragile balance that we are slowly unraveling at an alarming rate. The drone hovers just above the edge of a massive ice shelf, where the ice stretches out for miles, a silent testament to the power of nature. Below, the sea is a deep, endless blue, a stark contrast to the white expanse above, a reminder of the vastness of the Arctic. The icebergs here are not just frozen water. They are the last remnants of a world that was once teeming with life. As they drift, they carry with them the echoes of a planet that is slowly disappearing, a silent warning that the ice we love is melting faster than we can say goodbye. The drone pulls back to reveal a landscape so vast and untouched, it feels impossible to comprehend. Below, the icebergs rise like monoliths from the sea, their jagged edges reflecting the endless Arctic sky, a canvas of endless blue and white. These are the last icebergs of the Arctic, a fragile reminder of a world that is slowly disappearing. As we watch them drift, we are reminded of the power of nature and the urgency of our own actions. The ice may be melting, but the spirit of the Arctic endures. Let this journey inspire you to protect the last remnants of our planet's icy wonders. The ice may be melting, but the spirit of adventure and conservation lives on, so fly high, explore deeply, and remember, every action counts in preserving the Arctic's last icebergs for generations to come.